Alright guys, just going to do a quick comparison of the Solas impeller compared to the OEM, which is about 250 hours on it with the original wear ring. It was cavitating really bad. Should look like this, but looks like this. So new OEM wear ring's going to go in, but definitely some impacts on the blade. I'm sure that's causing some cavitation as well. And then here's the new blade, and it is razor sharp. Of course, you could take a file to this one and probably fix it up. This is just a different pitch. This is the Riva Stage 1 kit with the intake and grate and everything else. I figured just do it all at once. There's the tool to remove it. It is counterclockwise thread, and you will need a 12mm Allen for the backside of the pump. And that is how I got it to break loose. Crude, but it works. That with a big crescent wrench, WD-40, let it soak a little bit. It takes a lot of force to get it loose. I wasn't using the impact, but decided not to. Taking a chance of damaging something. So just be careful with it, take your time, and you'll definitely get it loose. Thanks for watching.